how to translate document with a language to another language easy and quick. Hola everyone, in this tutorial video I will show you how to do this. You just need to follow and watch this video till the end. For example, you see here this document of Word. As you see, it's on Arabic language. I want to translate all of this in just 1 second. So what I should do, I will just back here on my homepage. As you can see, I will open my Google Chrome and open Google Translation, as you can see right now. So I will choose the language that I wanna like the language of the document. Then I will choose here the language of that I want to translate into. For example, here French. I want to translate this document to French language. So what I should do, I will just come here, as you can see, and click on document, and I will come and take my document like this. As you can see, this is the document that I showed you before. I will use it here and click here, and as you can see, this is my document. I will be sure that this is the right language that I want to translate. For example, for me I want to translate it to French. Click on French here, then come here and click translate. So as you see, translation, it's ready right now. I will just click download the traduction. Click on it, and as you see here, I will click on download, and I will go here on download here, and as you can see, this is the document that I translate from Arabic to French, as you can see. So that's all, guys. It translates all of it without using ChatGPT or I don't know, and without any problems or slow. So it's very easy and fast and quick. I hope this video, guys, is helpful for you. Don't forget to support us by liking, also subscribing our channel, and see you in another video.